Welcome back to Marky RC. On this video today, how to make these little diorama shrubs for your crawler courses or your model railway. We're in the middle of building a big crawler course at the moment, so we need to get some shrubs. Super expensive to buy, and these literally cost maybe 10p each, if that. So we've got a green stem, we've got a raw stem of the natural colour of the string, and then we've got a brown, so it sort of looks like a proper tree trunk stump. So I'll get the stuff set up and I'll show you how to make one of these in literally 3 minutes. So I'll get the stuff, set her up, and I'll show you how I do it. Right, what you need to make these, some lengths of string which I've cut already, probably about 2.5–3 inches long. Bunch them up, try to keep the bottoms all the same because it just makes it easy when you glue it. Oh, excuse me. And then what I do, literally cover the base one side with the super glue so it joins it all together. Use some activator, dry that section really quick, and then I work my way around the bunch. And it is a really good idea if you can get a really nice heavy glued base, because it means you can anchor it to your track a lot easier, as well as it doesn't come apart when you're trying to pull all the strings out. And then I'll put a big dot down the middle just so it all soaks in. Activator literally sets that pretty much instantly. Trim off any debris on the bottom, and now it's just a case of unraveling the string. I always find it's easier with the 2-strand string because it comes apart so much easier. Basically just unravel like so, and then unravel the other way and pull the fibres apart. So I'll do the entire bunch and then I'll show you what it looks like. Right, there we have it now after I've fluffed all the string up. And then what I like to do is just go around the edge and just sort of neaten it up a little bit, as if it was like a sort of pruned plant, like so. And then brown paint, just give it a light misting. Just do that up here so it doesn't go everywhere. And that's the good thing about having one of these clips, the crocodile clips. You can hold and not get yourself covered in paint. So there we go, painted it all brown. And then I take some lacquer, which I find is one of the best things because it doesn't clegg everything up. Give it a mist with some lacquer, nice good heavy coat. Like so. Then I take some of the pale green flocking, sprinkle it onto that wet lacquer. Oh, try not to get your crocodile clip to ping off. And give it a little tap, take the excess off. And then I'll give it another spray with some more of the clear lacquer. Then I'll sprinkle the flocking from the top. Same again, tap it off. And then I'll just give it a light spray now with the lacquer over the top of the little shrub. Little bit more flocking on. And then with the light green, I'll do a little sprinkling over the top. And that light green, when it's all dried, almost looks like this new growth coming out the shrub. Little shake. So there we have it. Little shrub, green stems. I mean, you can add more and more and more lacquer and more flocking, depending on how sort of dense and heavy you want the plant to look. But I like to sort of keep them like that, sort of naturally looking. So there we have it, one simple little shrub for your dioramas in under probably 3 minutes. And like I say, you've got all those different varieties you can make, all different colours. And then we've also got like one that almost looks like it's got moss growing on it, if you've got like wet areas anywhere on your diorama. So I reckon these cost probably no more than 5p to make. I've seen some of these shrubs online are just outrageous how much people can charge for them. But you can do whatever you like, make them whatever colour you like. So I hope this helps if you want to make some cheap shrubs for next to nothing. So thanks for watching. I'll stick these on the course and I'll show you what they look like in another video. So I'll see you all later. Bye.